All right, I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you're curious about what to do after you've had to put an attacker into the harmless mode, or how to keep someone from putting you to sleep, I cover that, plus how, when, and why to strike, and a bunch of other cool stuff that you won't find anywhere else in my judge and jury course. That makes up the second half of what I call the SAP, NAP, SNAP jiu-jitsu formula. This course was the first half. Now, let's wrap this up with a final tip. You never know if you'll encounter one or more criminals who are well-trained, armed, or way bigger than you. So I highly recommend looking into additional tools like OC sprays, force-multiplying weapons, dogs, tigers, and of course, friends who have this education in case you ever have to team up. We're smart to learn how to use our body. It's always with us. But it's also smart to copy the pros like law enforcement and the military when it comes to personal protection. They have these tools for good reasons, especially those tigers. Okay, thank you so much for joining me here, and I hope you choose to join me for the judge and jury course. Please take it easy, my friend. Bye for now.